Good morning, good evening, everyone. How are you guys doing? Hope you're doing well. I have you position in the red, so I might be a bit more sensitive today. You know, I'm kidding. I don't really care. I feel good. I have my Fable 5 back to normal. I was like, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Let me pop the comments on the side for you guys so I can see everything you do. And today we are going to see two topics. We're gonna find the next HyperLiquid, and because we like to farm those, like it's been good for us. And also we will do some research of fundamentals coins that we can see that will be accumulated by the smart money, if you want to call them, the investment funds, the VCs, all that. Because I have some info. You're going to see this is actually not insider information. It's actually in plain sight, but just people don't see it. Hey, bro, what's up? Yeah, I'm good, guys. Good morning. Guten Morgen. We got Okis, Anonym. I remember you a lot on X. Jim Unk, or bastard. Dragging me right away. So, all copy trading today. It's sad. 0 USD. So, I'm still in minus just because I did an experiment on one and lost it all. That happens, but otherwise, those two, still the net PNL is good. Look at that. And this one's been copy trading it for 26 days. Now, I saw recently, you see, he started to have a bit of a down, but it seems to be going back up. So we're gonna see how it goes. Good luck. Thank you. We might do a little bit of trading of meme coins if you want. If you're interested in trading meme coins, I'm gonna pop the great tool that you know. Because did we miss anything? Man, are you kidding me, man? No, they're doing us dirty. Every time we stop the live and then something. Look at that, there was a 4x. And 1.1x, right? Super 1.5x, 1.7, 3.7, 4.6. Man, I might start the live earlier next time, honestly. Now let's see what the highest X we. Nah. 72x, 20x, 12x, 11x, 2 hours ago. 7.2x, 7x. Oh, that Korea, I saw it as well. Well, I mean, it went where it went. Also, the market cap is still low because Solana is low, you know. But then, actually, if you accumulate a lot of Solana now, I think it's quite a good time to do it. Let's check here. What is it about? Loom. Okay, so Cashcat is at 50M because it was the first weaker name of Robinhood. Well, Solana first name was Loom. Okay. I mean, they will run anything, right? Oh, it's quite disgusting holders, huh? We're not gonna do that. I mean, we can be wrong, but Teslas, I can't copy the. Maybe here. Wait. Oh, I can't copy the. See, oh, like this. Let me check it out. Check it out. I might be able to do something here. So what kind of rug pull you send us? Okay. It's doing not bad. Okay. Oh, when did I buy this coin? That must have been ages ago. Oh man, look at me! Look at me! Look at me! 80K I bought, and I sold at a loss, so I must be around there. And that shit now is at. I was on the more than a 10x. Well, thank you, Street Salsa. Thank you for reminding me my wrong. All right, guys. Now we need to remember one thing. In crypto, let me launch a recording actually, because like that we will have it. I'm good. What's up? What's up to you? I'm gonna pop a stock fund on the side. Yeah, actually, how many of you are using stock fund? Man, Baton, we saw it on Imreda. We saw it at 10K. It's already at 20K. I think it's because of Baton Corp. How did you get all rugged? How did you get all rugged, my friend? It's not beautiful what they did to you. It's not beautiful. Original Pump Fund Max code, Pumpkin. Man. They're gonna launch all of them. Let me change my column. I think I'm gonna remove trending. I'm gonna put momentum here. Momentum. All the cats, we get all of them. Okay. All right. Let's do the one about farming the airdrop. Okay. Handsome 1 billion or no? Well, usually if everyone is waiting for 1 billion, it doesn't go to 1 billion. That's the thing. Let's do a full analysis of Handsome after if you want. Right? Let me actually launch something here. I'm gonna add up some stuff on Stockchain that I've been working on. It's a nonetheless cycle. Hold, we're gonna talk about this later. I think there's some better way to do that. If there's one thing in crypto that we need to pay attention to, is always what's bringing money, because that's where it change, and everything is around exchanges. For example, HyperLiquid is one of the highest revenue generated platform and change the way we trade. And now we have competitors to HyperLiquid are coming, and you can farm really early to have an airdrop. And that's why today I'm going to talk about TX Flow. Don't worry, I'm going to show you everything, because if you try to type the address now, you're not going to be able to access it. You need an entry code. And that's why I like those things, is when we can be early on something. Because if you're going to trade anyway, and they're going to have similar fees, why not trade at the place where you would get as well some airdrop points, and then probably, maybe we will see a juicy airdrop. But I know, and I can't disclose now, who is behind TX Flow and then how they got incubated. And trust me, it's interesting. So what do we have here? TX Flow is a pub DEX, which means you can trade any kind of asset in crypto with leverage up or down, and you don't need to verify your identity. You don't need to do any KYC. Those ones are becoming more and more popular, and they're going to gain more volume. I believe everyone will trade on pub DEX in the future. And being early on them always been super rewardful. And talking about the stats of TX Flow, the volume is still really low. It's doing below 20 millions per day, some days above 40 millions. But to give you an idea, it's really easy to get a good share of that volume, because that's how the points are usually counted, is by how many percent of the volume you do and what kind of volume you do. So when you check here, if I close this trade, for example, this trade is worth $700. And it's a really small trade. The goal was just to place one to show you when I'm here. Plus they plus they have a competition, trade and unlock. So the more you trade on this, and you can just join it by signing with your wallet. That would be stupid not to. And what you're going to get is you're going to get free credit on top of that. So you are farming points early, and on top of that, you can get this. So they have daily payout. So for example, now I'm going to close my trade. up. If I do flash close, you see that my position size is 83 Solana. So that's going to be actually a huge amount of volume. Of course, you can also download the app here. So if you want to trade on your mobile, that's going to be really easy to use. And now what I'm looking for is when they're going to open the liquidity vault, when I'm going to be able to put money into it. For now, I am not able, maybe with this account, because this is my test account to show you guys. Maybe I need to have more volume to unlock that. And if I check the P&L of it, well, it's been pretty good. And you can see there is not many people in the vault. Now, what you can trade on it? Well, you can trade all the crypto one, but you can also have TradFi. So we have gold, we have a MicroStrategy, we have Tesla, we have Coinbase. Like you have plenty of those stocks. You even have like some Korean stock. Oh no, that's not Korean. Wait, no, SKH. Yeah, I was right. It's Korean, but they just priced it in USDC. Been a bit on the way down, pull them. And look at that. Just with one trade, I already did $10,000 in volume. And my trade was not big. For me, it was just a few $100s. But that represents 13,000 for the volume. I just need to do 100K in volume. Then I can have my referral code. So you can just do that. Like to access, you need the code TX handsome because it's blocked otherwise. You're not going to be able to get in. And once you do your account, you connect with your favorite wallet, and then you're going to click on deposit. Here, you can deposit any kind of crypto you want and from any chain you want. They have Solana, Polygon, Base, Ethereum, and Arbitrum One. I used Arbitrum. It was really easy. And I'm able to deposit. And once you deposit, you have it in your portfolio and you're ready to trade. That's basically what it is. You can also transfer money between your Perps account and your Spot account. So if you want to move money from like here, I have all my money into Perps, I can move it to Spot. Spot means like it's the normal buy and sell. You don't have any leverage. It's just for lower risk and lower rewards. Of course, like when you do Perps, don't go with crazy leverage that's going to blow you up directly. This is not a casino. Your goal is to stay in for the long term. But let me give you an example. If I wanted to do a lot of volume, I don't tell that I showed you that. Let's say silver. Silver, I can go 50x leverage, which is insane. And I'm going to take a little bit here. Let's go be crazy. I'm going to buy long, boom. So now I have my position here. Okay. Liquidation price will be at 54. I scored low. I could still add more to my leverage. Now, P&L is $3.72. Okay, now we're back. We're in positive, guys. We made $1. We lost 42 cents. Is a mosquito bastard. I can't stop the mosquito doing the live. And now if I go into my referral, what do I see? My trade? You understand now? And then if I close this trade, what I will get is even more. Now, of course, you have a bit of fees, but now you can get fee discount with the competition if you run it here. So you can trade with way lower fees. Look at that. I have 30K directly here. So if I reach 50 million, then I'm eligible for that, and then for this, and then for that, and then for that. So it's like it's always on. And you have like 5 days. So I wouldn't wait too long to be able to join, because the earlier you are, the better you will be. Now, there's another trick in the book. Is, for example, here, like, oh, this position is losing money, right? What I could do is on another exchange, place an order that do the opposite, that is shorting silver. And like that, no matter what happened, I'm not going to lose money, because on one side I'm making money and the other side I'm losing money. And because it's going to be the same amount, well, then I'm almost good. And I have another trick in the book, but I don't think I can say it in the video. It's going to cost me problems. So I will share it in my Telegram, because that's the one I used before on the Aster airdrop and everything. And that did really well. Now, what I want to know is more like, what do you think about this platform? Do you like it or not? Like, they want to sponsor the podcast. I was like, yeah, why not? Like, we use PubTex all the time. And then I was like, okay, the exchange that is behind it, they are big. So I was like, okay, they have the money for it. So why not? We have a beautiful red market, actually. I think it's opening the season. It makes me think almost about Christmas now. And you can see all the blocks, what they have, the transaction on it. That's the beautiful thing of the blockchain. I don't think they have any toolings yet to analyze all that. But let's wait for the votes when we're going to be able to do that. And that's why we like to be early on our thing here. Let me flash close it. Boom. Are you guys ready? We're going to go into referral. Look at that. I'm at 61 already. 61K. Like, this placed me in the top already of the one today, of the traders today. If you check HyperLiquid, the volume is at 10 billion. Got it. On camera, 4K. That mosquito will not have a good life anymore. Bastard. Sorry for the vegan watching this video. So 10 billion. Can you imagine? And I'm showing you that something that is doing $20 million in volume so far. So that's how early you can be. Let me put back a short on Solana. Let's see how it goes, that one. But I hold some Solana spot, so I don't really care. This is like edging. And that's another strategy. You can edge your bets. If, for example, you have a massive position spot on any coin, you can open a perps position that is opposite of it. So if what you have in your portfolio goes up, then you can sell some of it and pay for your short. But if it goes down, you can close your short and make some money and feel better than you have something that was just losing money. Hey, let me get quickly to boom. I think now we're going to be soon to 100K. There you go. Just one more trade and we're at 100K volume for today. 100K volume a day keeps the doctor away. Okay, this one is in positive already. Again, $5. There you go. Boom. And now, no, don't tell me that I was close to it. There we go. Now I can have a referral code on this account and start to refer people. The link will be in the description. I know most of the people will not do it, and that's fine. That's totally normal, because laziness is what keeps people broke. They don't want to get on something new when they first hear about it, because they rather hear it from 10 different people. So then after they think about it, but then the opportunity is gone. And that's sad, but that's the way the humans race work. And we can't do anything about it. But if you guys still here, you know how it is. All right. One video down, my friend. Baton migrated 4x for you. Oh my God. Limit order. I don't like that. Oh my God. I got stop limits. This is terrible. I forgot I had the auto orders on it. Look at that. Oh my God. My God. My God. My God. Am I gonna watch something 2x in front of my face? I'm gonna want to get back in. Someone explain what is going on in few sentences. When did you arrive? You know you can roll back on the life, but we killed the mosquito. That's one thing. Look at that. I want to guys here to be able to see it. How close can I get? This bastard was bothering my live stream. Man, what's the point by a 4K camera? There you go. Now you can see it. Insane. But it's good, right? I finished the video and I see like that my stop loss got me fucked up. That's what got me. All right, this guy needs to make money again. It seems to be okay. He had a bit of a down. What are his positions right now? Oh, he's short on the whole market. That could be good. I mean, yeah, I think like shorting the market now with the announcement of war again might not be the worst idea. Am I right? Let me check my orders with Bobby Big Size. Lit USDT. Okay. ETH USDT. Short, short, short. Yeah, some shorts are in the green. Long on hype. Cool. BTC short. That should be good. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Hey, it's not many people copying him. I'm surprised. Maybe people think they trade better than someone who made 22 millions, which is fine. This guy, I think he's not placing any order. Yeah, that was the 1st of July. Mosquitoes are easy. Mr. Miyagi can catch flies with the chopsticks. Yeah, but he's not here. Hey, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. And the cool thing is if you short the market at the right time in instability, well, you can make money while farming the airdrop. So I'm going to close that one. Boom, schlock, boom, shakalaka. And now if I check on this account, I go into my portfolio, which is my main account for the test. Let's check on the 7 days. Up, we made $120 while farming it. Not bad. And we're going to have plenty of points because now our volume is 128. We're going to be approaching dangerously the 50 million. Now we still have some work to do. But if I go hard on it, like if I do that like 10 times a day, that's going to be good. And that's the thing. Like it is a flash drop that happened just right when we were recording. But hey, we caught that. That was crazy. That was crazy, 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 guys. Should we short a bit more? Well, anyway, I have some Solana, so I can short. 6-7. That's it. We have it. Do you think Solana put another low until put a higher high? I'm not gonna tell you honestly because I don't fucking know. I wish I could know, but I gotta be honest with myself. I don't fucking know. Like it's like you see like Trump doing something. Do you think I can plan that? Let me check on Grok. What do you think of the Bitcoin bull movement? The Bitcoin bull movement, which way? What happened with Trump and Iran in the past 24 hours, and what does it mean for the market? Why is this the next HyperLiquid? That's a great question. Because there's going to be competitors to HyperLiquid, and the one who have great support, they're going to be able to get something. But because we're super early now, we basically reduce our risk like drastically. Like I say, like to be like that early, it's super hard. On 7 million, he's airdropping me twice. Jason AI Williams. Yeah, you will get the information about that later. One reality checker. I can't share as I say it now, but don't worry, you will get it. You will get it later. Jason AI Williams. But then after, like, what's the risk on your side? Oh, that one. Yeah. That one I saw. I saw the Bitcoin bull. Okay, this is not the white bull, Bitcoin bull. Nice. So what is on that one? 7.5 million. Not bad. Nice. Congrats. What did you do with the airdrop? Oh, there is not so many orders. 822. June 30. Nice run. Nice run. It's a derivative of Ansem, I guess. What is Ansem doing now? Black Bull. Oh, that went quite a bit down. But it's not the first time it goes down. It's not the first time it goes down. See how the volume, 52% of the volume, actually even more, is on Misiora. It's crazy. How is Misiora doing? Trading volume last 24 hours minus 8%. Oh, okay. Yeah, this Cup C. Black Bull, official Trump. Statistic. So that's like SpaceX. I think that was when SpaceX happened. You see that? Boom. That was all the SpaceX movement. And now SpaceX is a lot less traded. So we're here, which make me want to check as well Backpack. Backpack Finance. Yes, nice. Went up. Exchange well. Backpack. Boom. Same. You see the pre-IPO. You see the same movement. Same movement. But trade volume before was 5.5 million and now it's 17 million. Like the lowest is 8 million. Check CupC. Oh my God, Loom took off. Oh yeah, it's at 133. Well, you saw it on Stock Fund, like 1.6x, 2.7x, 2x, 6.4x. The last place. Man, it's crazy. Stock Fund is just it's the gift that keeps on giving. The gift that keeps on giving. What do you want me to check up? See, is there any elements you want to see? Actually, let's go on Stock Chain. We start to see a lot of KOL that bought in. Interesting. So I think if we check the top KOL holders, yeah, CupC is the second one. No. Where's Dan? I think Dan might come tomorrow. Dan just got rugged. He got liquidated. He's like everything he was doing to the others. Now people doing it to him. And yeah, that's what happened. But hey, he got what he deserved. Once it was me who rugged him, actually. I'm kidding. No, I'm not kidding, actually. La, 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 la. Comma, it's real. If it was, I'd be dead by now. It's insane. Yeah, it's that's what happened. You can come tomorrow to ask him. Oh my God, Loom is at 150. My God. Oh my God. Rug. They're all buying rug. Not so sure about that one, but good old Jakey. What is he up to now? What's that one? Their market. Oh, is that the one that they I saw Mbappe dictator before. Patty Ice Bass Challenge. What is that? Take a nice bath and six and pledge the allegiance to the bag workers of the world while in the ice bath. Pledge allegiance to the bag.
I pledge allegiance to the bag workers and the movement of Patty Ice, one unbreakable crew on Solana, maximally loaded, always holding, diamond hands, secure straps, blue skin in the front.
One winner. Ah, okay. Hopper tattoo challenge. Go on a date with ChatGPT. What is that? Go to a restaurant with yourself and ChatGPT. Your date. Ask for a table for two. Clarify the host that you are going on a date with AI. One stay there.
Holiday market, subway visionary again. Going for the going to date ChatGPT at a restaurant there. So
Well, good ideas. Not some of the best content I've seen, but ain't bad. Oh, we're up 10%. Wow, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. I went to 374. Should we do a classic training stop loss? We might never have time. Training data 10%. Boom. So if it gets back up, it get back up. Gold and silver looking good, maybe. I hope so. I'm long on it. Are you buying cash cat? No, I haven't bought it. Should I? Should I? So what happened in the past 24 hours? Iranian attacks on the shipping. Okay, we're back. Cash cat on Robinhood chain. Ponzi mentioning it in Nado for Perps airdrop also. Cash cat on Robinhood chain. Oh, I didn't know it was on Robinhood chain. I didn't know they had their own chain. Cash cat. Interesting. Wow. Arbitrum again. Robinhood chain. What do we have on Robinhood chain? Cash cat, Vlad dog, Hood rat, the money juggernaut. What's the volume like though? Wow, near 100 Like if we check Solana, volume 10 billion. Mason. Who is that guy? Is that the not? Is it like guy looks maxing or something like that? Mason. What's his full? Is he on X? Mason Velcius. What's that? Let me check. We put him and his wife. Why not? A bit surprised. I'm a bit surprised. Oh yeah, I've seen that guy before. He has a big YouTube and everything. TikTok, he's huge on TikTok. You know what? Because I know him, I gotta toss one or two songs. I don't know where we go, but there we go, guys. We get a flash candle. Look at that. Actually, I should go bigger when I go into those plays that are like 500K. Oh yeah, I block TikTok probably, so I can't access it. For the love of my brain. Give me a follow if it does well. Why not? Yeah, I'm not sure if it's just most. I will check you then. But honestly, I set my new purse to mayhem mode only and buy 0.51 Salsa, and I had better result than migrated coins right now. What do you think, Antoine? I haven't traded the mayhem thing, so I can't tell you, unfortunately. Well, it's not a perp chain; it's an on-chain chain, which is just a liquidity thing again. Oh, happy cat! We missed that. I need to get my notification better. I mean, all the cats been popping. This one, I know that one. I saw that one so many times. It's crazy that Why I have a limit order already? They get executed. I must have some shit where it's like 10%. Like I gotta check my settings. I have an issue in my settings, man. Put a trading stop loss or like that. I should be fine no matter where this thing goes. Boom. That's the beauty of Padre. Link in the description, my friend. Look at that. Look at me. Well, we had another topic to cover today. Like, no one is reminding me to go on the topic. It's insane. I'm DCing. Okay, cat. Okay. Shilling your bag. No problem. Let me check the one I wanted to send you guys, and then we're gonna work on that. I think luckily I send it to my agent. I have it. All right, let me get my research straight, and then I can show you guys all that. Caviar by out. What the fuck is that? NFT MMM. So I did research. Oh my god. Okay, so this is actually genius. People are trying to run pump with friends beta on Sol. but Pump with Friends was never a Pump Fun project. Just a cute thing Stack did that got him hired. Pump Fun Tech come from CDO Dylan. First project caveat proof below. Oh my god, it's like when this shit starts to give me a headache, I don't even know what we're looking at. It's honestly. Mhm. What is the Clarity Act? When will it be voted or passed? And what does it mean for crypto and crypto investors? And how like it will be different for traditional finance being able to invest? So Grayscale 35 billion. Okay. Ugh. What is their revenue like? Thank you, bro. First comment. Crypto God John just posted about Cashcat. I will try the mayhem, but it's like the bot. I don't know like how you do. I do not think anything would catch HyperLiquid with HIP 3 and 4 and the amount of people using them. HyperLiquid is a really good product. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, like you can go check my first video on Handsome Finance. I was really early on talking about HyperLiquid, why it was important to farm it. Now I didn't get my airdrop. That's a good question. what do you think about liquidation hit my trades? Do you use it for entries and exits? I want to know your perspective on it. I really thought this could be a huge edge, but it happened that it was not. And not really, like at my size, I could not really do any move. Now, maybe now it will work again, but when I did it, it was not. So I don't do it so much. One or two things that I used to do that worked okay-ish, and then I would need to backtest it. And then now I can backtest better. Like I started to build some system to backtest some of my strategies, and it's been better. But for that, for example, that will be one that will be good. Like that will be it. So good indication. Too many movements can happen on the other coins. So that's the thing. Like on Bitcoin, like we're at the mercy of like a government saying this or that. Like for example, it's like it's so hard, and then it seems that people trading with vibe, honestly, still do really good. Dude, the airdrop, I have been watching you from the beginning. That is sad. It's not sad. It's not sad. Like it's a lesson, and it's fine. It's like I was on something early, didn't click. It's fine. It's like like what I'm gonna do. What I did instead is I funneled this energy, and I was like, I'm gonna reverse this, and I'm gonna make money off a HyperLiquid, and I did. I turned $1,000 into more than 100K with it, and I think now it's around 200K. So it worked out for me. It worked out for me. Like that could be it. Yeah, we started to farm it before. I will post the stuff in Telegram for those who want to farm it. I farmed it back then. We will see how this would go. Like I think it's been rinsed as well during the airdrop farming meta, and now like people forget about it. Now that's when like we can see some other ones that would be interesting. What is your HyperLiquid address to can track you? Thank you, man. Like, it's just chilling. Just to get me on like that. Honestly, like I showed it, I think, in some videos and stuff. So I don't want people to track me. Like it's gonna stress me out. I would give you raspberry. I'm all right, thank you. Cash cow on Robinhood chain is at 6 t.m. A cash cow is exactly one pump did. Man, sometimes like the creativity of those coins just disgusts me. I think I should put a filter when the tweet is more than 10 words. You know, it's ass. All right, we get a few things. The Clarity Act, Digital Asset Market Clarity Act of 2025. A Clarity Act. This will be voted. 8th of July. Oh, that's soon. Oh, current station, then when it be voted on. So Clarity Act. Okay. Stablecoin, reward, boundary, Is it a payment stablecoin? No. What is it sold via? Investment contract. No. As the issue of failed a mature blockchain certification. No. Remains under SEC oversight disclosure. Yes, remain under classified as digital commodity, CFTC as excluded. We'll do an airdrop. I don't know if we're gonna see any airdrop from the trading terminals. Congress, okay. Senate.gov. We want to look at that. Okay. July 13. Okay. A vote could happen late July or early August if momentum builds quickly after Senate returns. But it's not guaranteed. Okay. Bro, like sometimes Grok, they put like tweets then a bird contest. I need to win something. Yeah, you will win for sure. Mhm. Movers is dead, I think. No. Anyone study this, the clarity acting? By the way, is anyone like I'm hiring some clippers for the live stream. I don't know if anyone is interested. Okay, because the thing is, why I talk about that. So, Grayscale, right? That's like one of the biggest fund in crypto. They posted this article: revenue producing crypto protocols look cheap ahead of clarity. And so the thing is, when you check all the things that have like real value, with the Clarity Act, like some that do like buyback and burn, that could really help. So they posted a full article on that, and then they did an analysis, top highest protocol revenue source and their revenue multiple. And we see a lot of them that have like really low multiple compared to their market cap or else. And for example, well, Uniswap is way too high. Okay, like that would not be interesting. Collector was pretty good. Misura was pretty good. Lighter was okay, 8x. But like if you check like Pump Fund, pump fund has been like down, even like we don't know like where we go, but like I'm seeing like Meteora. I think it's Jito is not on it, but I had Jito, and then some other that they don't have here. There's Pancake Swap. I'm not sure it's on BNB, so it's like I'm gonna look at the ones we know. WLA5 is at 17x, so it's like there's clearly difference between what's their revenue, what's their circulating market cap, and the revenue multiple. Check Mason. All right, let me check. Check. Oh, nice. Damn, we went to 1.4. Bro. Oh, man, why I have bad luck like that? I was 1.2. I saw happen in it dips crazy. Let me all right, Rob. Thank you, Marcel. Can I see your comments here? There you go. I'm gonna be one of your 14 followers. I appreciate the crazy. What happened actually? Jack Duval is in it. Isn't it big, Jack Duval? A big Duval. 12K. He bought for 3K of it. He has 12K of it. What the fuck? Is that real numbers? Oh shit, it does mine. Whoa, what happened to him? Oh, is that true, Jack? No. No. That hurts. I think we're going to have a retracement later on. There you go, like that. I'm free. 1,000 holders. Let's see if he's going to post on TikTok. I'm out. Man, I didn't even 2x on that shit. It's disgusting. Didn't even 2x. I did, man. Like, you're not watching the stream or what? You are all over the place. Do you think money is in crypto right now? Meme trenches? They're in both. Like, there's like memes are heating up. Like, since Ansem coin, the volume has just been increasing drastically. So it's been way easier. So it would be dumb to not use that. Right? It would be like, why not? Like, if there's higher volume, why not? Cash cow still did good, even it was bad. Oh, been live for 1 hour and a half now. Oh God. Interesting, G-Sol. Interesting. We'll see how it goes. Right. Well, I might just do more research about it. This thing. Pop, 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 pop. Fable is out though. Fable is out. I have to use Fable. Okay, so this clarity thing. Okay. So what does it mean for coins that are buying and that generate fees, crypto that are generating fees and doing buyback and burns? The bill creates a bright line based on decentralized token with value is interestingly linked to a blockchain system. Securities investment contract, SEC assigned tokens sold with expectation of profit and protocol level fees, DEX that flows to the actual. Why is that a positive thing? People holding those tokens will get more taxed or less taxed, and why they cannot just buy it now? Why would they wait for this act to be released, particularly for the big funds? I will introduce you to Trump if you drop your HL address. That's a pretty good deal. Show me proof of Trump. On TX Flow, pretty good. Nice. Actually, I wonder what is it like our solar short. Hey, we up again. Let's close it. It's crazy doing this live. Just doing this short. I mean, like anyway, like the market's gonna shit the bed with if we go. I mean, if there's war again. 7 days, boom. Look at that. We made $173. Look at us. What is Bitcoin like? 62? Oh, dropped at 61. Let's short some BTC. I don't think it's going to bounce out at 64 now. G-Sol, don't worry, you will know soon who is behind. I say I can't disclose right now. The goal of this channel is to get information before it's out there. Otherwise, there's no point. Try the liquidation heat map on Legend CoinGlass. All right, my friend. Man, sometimes I feel so lucky to do those live. Like, you guys are fucking amazing. Like, it's, of course, sometimes there's like some tire kickers and some people that make me lose my time. But like, sometimes it's just like bring good information like that, sharing everyone good stuff. It's just something I would never hear Legend. Let me connect. Don't, man, if I need to pay that shit, you rug me live like this, XMG, I'm gonna think you're an agent of Conglass. And I was doing a whole speech about like how you guys are so cool, how you guys helped me a lot. And then we get like, right? All right, I'm on it. I'm on it. I'm on it. Oh, you can track. Okay, well, you did that Python script? Okay, so now I'm here. What should I do? Indicator settings, indicators, liquidation heat map. Okay. So that's for Binance though. Should I put like all of them? So okay. Just this, right? That's just the only thing you check. So at 62 there was a liquidation, but how do I see the amount of the liquidation? How can I see the amount? There's no amount. Because I used some on HyperLiquid where you could see the amount, but oh my god, you say Mason is still pushing? We had some good one today. I used the third style. 1.7, nice. For the amount, you need the order block indicator. Okay, so order book? Oh, you mean block? I mean, maybe order book. Here you see a little bit, yeah. But it's basically liquidation is going to be at 61. 61.5. That's where we're going to see. And we don't see many short that will be liquidated, huh? They'll be here. Let me add this. Bitcoin already had this flash candle. Try to bounce. Oh, you get entry on Bitcoin with this at 57. What made you go in? Because there was everyone who got liquidated here, or what was that? Oh my God. Bitcoin reversing. Did we long or we short? Yeah, we shorted. When the new interview with Mitch? We do it like probably every 6 months. Yeah, Mitch is a massive holder of Ansem. Yeah. Get Ansem and Murad on the podcast. It'd be good to get a good old Murad. Ansem, I think I would need to have someone to like connect me with him. I haven't. I don't think I have him following me or anything. So I will be unfortunately left on in the DMs. Right again, $3 PX. Oh my God. We still never know if he sold it or what. Combined with CVD and open interest. CVD and open interest. And it's like you want me to get so many indicators on that thing. CVD, open interest. Thank you. I'm gonna have to get my bot to create a data for me to find those. Oh. Oh man. The why BNB is getting so much so much sheets from you, Jisoo? You need to play the heat map so it looks less noisy. Okay. I mean now like I think it's just I need to put it on my big fat screen. Threshold 70. I don't know. Like this is beautiful, right? It's annoying. I don't see the amounts. 100. 100 is mode 3, model 3. Model 3, I don't see anything. Ah, there you go. Loaded. And at 100. I don't even have the data of like a 1010 worst crypto drop in history was Binance sucking liquidity into the $8 amount. We don't have exactly what happened, but yeah, it was not beautiful. Let's put it that way. Let's put it that way. Let me check something. Doesn't work. Don't head for a cluster, and I don't suggest you. And I suggest you don't have that. Okay. Hi guys, I'm gonna end the stream here. I have some admin stuff to do, and I will be back to see you. XMG, I will add you as well to understand a bit more how you do it, so you can send me a screenshot of your settings. Thank you guys. It was beautiful. Thank you to Mosal. Gave us some good play, good perp farming here. We farmed it nicely. Now Bitcoin is finally going down again, so that might be good for us. We're gonna be back in the green, hopefully. It doesn't really matter. This is a count just to show you guys. Have a good one.